Let's get it. Smash Cymbals.
Yep. What up, y'all? Just doing an unboxing real quick. Shout out to my bro Dre and his new company, Smash Cymbals. And yeah, let's see what we got.
This is my these are my cymbals, custom made for me by my good mate Dre Energy. He has his own custom cymbal brand.
So there's a new cymbal company now, and their name is Smash Cymbals.
Ooh. Smash Cymbals, bro. Smash.
Whoa. That's cool.
Yeah.
You like a big
Custom
cymbal?
Elite Series.
Yeah.
20 inch.
Whoa.
Shout out to my dude Dre. Bro, can't wait to put these in the rotation.
Oh,
like I said, shout out to my dude Dre.
Oh, I like them.
Get your Smash Cymbals now. I promise you.
Oh, I like them.
This is the way to go.
Like, you see that hand hammer work on there? That's going crazy. All right. That's just with my finger.
That is nice. Woo.
19-inch crash cymbal, made in Turkey. I can see where we go here. Made in. I don't know if you can see that. Yes, made in Turkey. There we go. So we've got the.
Shout out to my guy Dre. Hey, ready to get them while it's hot. Smash cymbals. Customize them, do whatever you need. And yeah.